In this video, I am going to talk about some best free certification courses on communication. These all courses are offered by HP Live with the help of HP Foundation program. You can enroll these courses free and you'll get your free certificate after completing this course from HP. Now let's talk about these courses. Here the first course is for you, effective leadership communication. In this course, you'll be able to understand when and how to use different leadership approach to become a stronger and more effective leader in all aspects of business. The second course is for you is business email communication. In this course, you will be able to learn how to write professional business emails to communicate effectively with your customers and suppliers. The third course for you is business communications, and in this course you will be able to learn why business communications are important and how to create a simple framework you can use to improve your business communication skill. Fourth course is effective presentation. You can learn how to create well-designed slide presentation that expresses your message clearly and targeted to a specific audience. And the last course is presenting data. You can discover how to use a spreadsheet software to create charts that convey your business data effectively. So you can enroll these 5 free courses totally free of cost, and you will get the link of these courses in the video description. But one thing before enrolling these courses, at first you need to create an account here in HP, and you'll get the link of video how to create an account in the description. Check it from there if you don't know how to create an account. So after creating an account, then you can enroll these courses. So when you create an account, then you will be enroll these courses. To enroll this course, you just need to simply select the course that you would like to enroll. For example, I would like to enroll this course. Just simply click over there. Okay, when you click it, then here you can see enroll button is here. Free course 100% online, and you will get here certificate available on completion. Already 25,330 students enroll these courses. So to enroll this course, you just need to simply click here enroll button. When you click the enroll button, then you'll be able to enroll these courses. So check the video description to get all the necessary links.